Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make potato salad Haitian style. It's going to be the best potato salad you've ever had. Okay, let's get to the recipe. So I have already cooked my pasta. Cook your pasta according to the instructions in the box or however you like it. I'm using medium shell pasta. So let's go over the ingredients that I'm going to use for this recipe. Honey mustard, my little secret. Mayonnaise, not too much. A little bit of sour cream. Goya for a little bit of taste, garlic powder, sweet peas. You may use frozen. I should have used frozen instead. I don't know why I used canned one, but anyways, it was still bomb. Evaporated milk, some Dijon mustard, which I didn't use actually. Ignore that. Laughing cow cheese, parmigiano cheese, a little bit of, don't tell anybody, okay? A little bit of cream cheese, and guess what? 1 golden potatoes because it just changes everything. And I'm using Italian mortadella. You may skip it if you don't want to add meat. Totally skip it, but it really makes it better. So go ahead and add your butter to your hot pan. Just don't burn the butter like I did. My heat was too high. So after you added the butter, gonna add a little bit of a small portion of the bell peppers and the onion, and let them cook. And then add the ham and let it cook for about 3 minutes. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of evaporated milk. I will list all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below. Be sure to check it out, okay? And after you've added the milk, I'm gonna go ahead and add the seasonings, because like I said, it's delicious. So it's not just mayonnaise and pasta you're gonna eat one of the best potato salad that if you serve in your party or anytime, your family, your friends will love you for it. So I added the cream cheese to melt it a little bit. So we're making that bechamel for the macaroni and cheese, but we're gonna add the other stuff to it after. Okay, so I'm adding the laughing cow cheese so it could also melt. It's very different compared to the other stuff. I know the steps are similar to making macaroni au gratin, but it's gonna be served cold. So this is best if you make it in the morning and then serve it in the evening or the next day. It's best because you have to let it cold and let the seasoning get into the pasta. So I am adding my Parmesan cheese, half a cup of grated Parmigiano cheese. So after everything's melted, we're gonna go ahead and add the pasta and mix everything. So now go ahead and add the pasta, all of it. Don't do it like that because it's gonna take so long. Just dump everything in the pot because it's huge enough. And we're gonna go ahead and add the sour cream. Make sure your heat is off at this time. The heat shouldn't be on anymore. Once the cheeses are melted, turn off your heat. And when you're melting the cheese, make sure you melt it on low heat so you don't burn anything. So I've go ahead and added my honey mustard, my sour cream, and I'm going to add my mayonnaise also. So now we're gonna add the vegetables, the peas, the carrots, and the potato. Let me tell you, adding that potato to it, I'm telling you, it's so different. Like you bite into it and you're like, what the hell did I bite into? It's not a potato salad. That's why I add just 1 potato. You don't need just 1 golden potato. Make sure it's golden potato, not the russet potato, because it will be too soft and it will break. So just add the golden potato. It's just yummy. It's delicious. Trust me. Trust this recipe. Give it a try. You're gonna love it. So after you've added everything, go ahead and mix everything. Make sure everything is evenly coated. And then after that, we're gonna store it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. 24 hours is better. The next day it's just perfect for the next day. And my little secret, I added 2 tablespoons of distilled vinegar. I found that the distilled vinegar intensifies the flavor, so be sure to do that too. And I'm adding my ground pepper. I added last. I think it's better to me, honestly. I didn't add it to the bechamel because I feel like it's better when you can taste the black pepper. If you want to, feel free to add it to the bechamel, but I like it like that, and it looks better too. Anyways, yeah, just add the vinegar, guys. Even if you're making potato salad too, add a lot more vinegar when you're making potato salad. It intensifies the flavor, trust me. It's so delicious. And if you have not, please hit the subscribe button because you're gonna come back for more videos like this. I know that for sure. And also taste your food, and then if you feel like it needs more salt, add salt. So I added a teaspoon of salt because I felt like it needed more salt. Do the same. Make sure you check with your taste bud first, and then after you do that, you stir it, give it a good stir, and then store it on the fridge for at least 4 hours until it gets really cold, because it has to be served cold. It's potato salad, right? And like I said, at 24 hours is better. If you make it the day before, it's better. All the flavor gets into the pasta. Whew. And I added a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper and some pepper flakes. The pepper flakes is mostly for garnishing, but the Scotch bonnet pepper just for a little bit of spice. I didn't add too much. I added half of that Scotch bonnet pepper, so it wasn't really like spicy, just a little kick, you know. I like a little kick in my food. But anyways, you guys, and the pepper flakes, feel free to skip it if you don't like hot, but I liked it because it made it look a little bit better. Be sure to serve this potato salad as a side on a Sunday. Don't eat it too often because if you do, I'm not responsible for your weekend. But this potato salad, let me tell you, if you're going to a cookout, wherever you're going, bring that. To a party, bring that with you. To a get together, bring it with you. And let me tell you, people will fall in love with you, okay? And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and also share it with a friend. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video.